We will now begin the Reviewing Your Account section of the P-Card training. To review transactions in PaymentNet, you will need to confirm the transaction is valid and was an authorized expense. You must also verify the amount is correct. Make sure the transaction is being distributed to the appropriate FOAP. If the transaction is going to be charged to a FOAP other than your own, you will need approval from that FOAP manager. You will also need to select from a drop-down menu whether or not a detailed receipt is on file. You must enter information about the business purpose for the purchase before PaymentNet will let you save your changes. Finally, enter any transaction notes. Once all of that is complete, click the Reviewed box to indicate the transaction is reviewed and ready to upload to Banner. Be sure to save any changes you made to the transaction. You should review transactions in PaymentNet on a minimum of a weekly basis. Keep in mind that any notes in PaymentNet are only retained for 2 years. Since record retention is required for 7 years, you may want to keep a copy of the notes in PaymentNet in the paper backup. A disputed purchase is a duplicate charge or an error in the amount. Before you dispute a transaction, we recommend working with the vendor first. Once the transaction is posted in PaymentNet, you have 60 days to submit the dispute. A fraudulent transaction is a transaction not made by the cardholder, and you must report that to Financial Services or JPMorgan Chase immediately. Unauthorized usage is a transaction that does not qualify as a business expense or was not authorized by the cardholder. The Banner upload is processed every Monday afternoon. All transactions that have been checked reviewed will be uploaded into the Banner accounting system. Please do not check any transactions until all changes to the transaction are complete. For example, if you are waiting for approval to distribute a charge to a different FOAP, it is highly recommended that you wait to mark it reviewed until approval is received. Any transactions outstanding for more than 21 days will be automatically uploaded into Banner.